Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the keyboard, top cover, and disconnect the battery cable. Removal: disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the base enclosure. Lift the fan off of its alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement: place the fan onto its alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the base enclosure. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board.